consistently do. And today we are here with the CEO of this county. That is a representation of his committee. Kindly appreciate this team. Well done. Okay. Your Excellency, today is a good day for Embu County. And today,
tuungane pamoja, tuendeshe hiyo vita ya kupigana na ufisadi. Hatujakuja hapa Embu sababu kuna ufisadi zaidi ya kwingine. Tunajua kila Mkenya ako na kaufisadi kidogo kidogo. This is why we are saying we want to fight it to minimum, to a level of doing other development programs.
We must now up the game, because sensitizing the public is not enough, educating them about corruption is not enough. Now we must move forward, and I want to call the committee, the civilian committee, which we are arranging today, to go a step further. We must now begin giving details on corrupt practices.